Hi, the product we're here to show you today is an innovative wheelchair that can go up and down.
Why do you think this new innovation is going to be successful?
We think our product is innovative because it gives the consumer, which is primarily the disabled and elderly people, the opportunity to do gardening work, which they often do, like especially elderly people do miss to do, but they don't have the functionality anymore because they're bound to the wheelchair. Also, it gives them the opportunity to join into normal family life because they're able to reach for things themselves, they're able to reach things in the cupboards, they're able to reach things on the floor, which is not currently a possibility with a normal wheelchair. Also, it can assist them with normal things in the household duties, been inspired by truck lifters, which have the possibility of going up and down, so it's still like in a sturdy and very safe way. To make it even safer, we incorporated a seat belt and a function that the wheelchair cannot go up or down unless the seat belt has been fastened securely. It's similar to how it works in cars, like a car is not able to start without having the seat belt securely fastened as well. Also, when the user is in the highest level, there's a button which they can press. In the unlikely event the wheelchair would run out of battery when they are at the highest level.
And how do you know this product is needed? And how did you do it?
We conducted market research. We went out to 2,000 elderly and disabled people and nursing homes and societies for disabled people, where they requested the possibility of doing gardening work, for example. We used to be a great joy to them, but they're no longer able to do it due to the physical limitations. So by using our products, this is now a possibility. And 93% of the 2,000 respondents were very interested in our product. The remaining 7% was a bit worried about the safety concerns. Taking this into consideration and incorporated the car feature where this seatbelt has to be incorporated, so even demented people can use this wheelchair now. The wheelchair is rechargeable, it's very sturdy but yet still very lightweight. It has tube brakes feature and an easy accessible battery. It goes up to 970mm and can carry up to 300 kilograms.
Can you tell me please, how much are you going to sell this product for?
We decided to put the price a bit higher than normal wheelchairs because of the innovative function. According to the keynote reports, the disabled people in the UK claim a number of financial supports from things like disability living allowance. This is a feature for the under 65s who are disabled, whereas the people who are over 65 and disabled or just elderly and bound to the wheelchair can get funds from the attendance allowance. In 2007-2008, 4.5 million people in Great Britain got DLA or AA. Overall in the UK, there are 11 million disabled people, where 5 million over the state pension age, which are primarily those we're aiming at, and 800,000 of them are children. It's according to the keynote difficult to measure value of the market due to many different distribution channels, as well as niche markets. However, in 2008, the value of the mobility market was estimated to £501 million, making it the biggest sector in the market for mobility devices. The wheelchair business itself was valued at £140 million, as there's 1.2 million wheelchair users in England according to the Department of Health. 800,000 of these were supplied by the NHS wheelchair service, so they're going to be one of our main target groups. The value of the market increases around about 3% every year. We're aiming to make a revenue of £147 million in year one. As can be seen by the table, we're aiming to gain a market share of 6% in the first year. DJ, tell me where it's going to be sold then.
That's a good question. You know, we cannot sell it in everywhere. For example, we cannot sell it in Tesco or Sainsbury's. We have to find the right marketplace. So, in terms of where this new innovation will be sold, it's vital to select the right marketplace. Therefore, we look at aspects such as who are the buyers and how they can get it access easily to the marketplace. As a result, we found set marketplace where this new innovation is going to be sold. First marketplace, online shop with house delivery. The second marketplace is going to be like mini store in many big hospital, care house and retirement house, where the target market can get access to the product. And finally Argos and normal small retail of wheelchair will be used to provide the product on the market.
So how is your market analysis going to be using Matrix?
Now, our product is a new innovation, so we are in the penetration stage, so we need to market our product to the right market. So this new product will be marketed to our existing customers. Here we develop and innovate new product offering to replacing an existing one.
Emmanuel, what makes our product creative?
Our wheelchairs have a built-in massage therapy system. This feature is NHS approved and has been built in by our engineers who are qualified physiotherapists. At our company, we believe in going the extra mile, hence the reason we have built in a television device that allows our patients to enjoy their favorite television channels right from their wheelchair. Lastly, bearing in mind the social media crave, we have incorporated a device that is so innovative, which has not been done but is protected by our company. We have created a system with all the wheelchairs that we produce, that every single person that buys a wheelchair will be able to connect to another person that has a wheelchair and communicate. We understand that the elderly like to communicate with each other, and it's not all the time they can go outside and speak to each other and go out for a tea. But what if they can speak to each other from their very wheelchair? Hence the reason we've created a system for them to be able to connect to each other, share pictures and have fun.
Saeed, is this product environmentally friendly?
Our products manufactured from 100% recycled steel. After years of productive use, when our wheelchairs are no longer needed, they can be easily disassembled and returned to our inventory to be reused by someone else. Our product does not have any or treated with hazardous and toxic chemicals that prevent it from being recycled and that will poison and pollute the environment when it is disposed.
Does our product comply with EU legislations?
Yes, Julie, it does comply with EU legislation. For example, noise emission by equipment used outdoors, electrical equipment designed for use within certain voltage, product safety, green vehicles, a European strategy, energy efficiency for the 2020 goal, household appliances, eco-design for energy-using appliances, product energy consumption, and the health and safety requirements of these products are made from strings which can carry 350 kg weight, can go up to a maximum height of 90 cm, which is not that much scary, equipped with seat belts and seat belt alarms, showing sufficient amount of charge before operating. Once up, can be lowered without any need of...
Who are you aiming your product at?
Well, our safe and user-friendly wheelchair is an innovative product to provide people with disability mobility, and the product creates the ability for people to get more exercise and impart the health care delivery by encouraging mobility of people who were previously in bed. So our product is basically targeted to the elderly ones, but at the same time, people from the age of 15 can also use the product. Male and female can also use the product as well. And the household income expected to be able to afford our product is from 13,000 per annum. Working class people with disability can also use the product as well, and the product will be sold across UK. The electric wheelchair works in harmony with the Disability and Equality Act 2010, which aims to protect disabled people and prevent disability discrimination by giving the legal right in areas such as employment, education, access to goods and services, buying and renting land or properties, function of public bodies like licensing.
Would it be marketed?
There are like 4 major wheelchair manufacturers in the UK, which are Esteem, Roma, Drive Medical, and Z-Tech. But our electric wheelchair will be sold among the ranges of other wheelchairs through the UK wheelchair website. At the same time, our product will be introduced, recommended, and sold in elderly communities like care homes, hospitals, and nursing homes.
We believe that growing is not a curse, but growing is a blessing. So in your old age, enjoy and have fun.